Hi guys, welcome back to Cali Valley. Today we are at the Sacramento Zoo and we're gonna take you guys with us. First stop is the flamingos, our favorite.
What is this?
Okapi?
Poppy?
They're like horse, but with...
Whoa, look, Ellie, you see it?
Oh, look! Okay, here we're at the Camel Cafe. We got garlic fries and a drink and a beer. This drink is a lifetime drink, so you can come back forever, get refills. Ellie got cotton candy, so she's very happy.
Yes, Papa. Whoa!
And you got cotton candy too? Cotton candy, yummy. So I stopped to look at the koi fish, and apparently my wife and kid ditched me. So let's go find them.
We're at the Chimpanzees. Ellie was so excited for this one. Since the second we got here, she was asking where the monkeys were. They're all like napping, but they're so cute to watch anyways.
So it's like 1,000 degrees here, but came to see the giraffes because that's probably the coolest part of the zoo. There we are.